Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have another PS5 accessory video for you today. We've got the Pulse 3D headset for the PlayStation 5. Backstory on this, it was actually sold out pretty much everywhere. Then I just randomly decided to go to my local EB Games and they literally got a shipment within 2 minutes before I got there. So there was 2 available. I picked one up and there's 1 available, but to be honest, it's probably gone already. All of my PlayStation 5 accessories, including the console, is just staggered. I've bought it from Best Buy, Walmart, EB Games, you name it. So this is the Pulse 3D headset, the official PS5 headset. It matches the color scheme of everything and apparently it's really good. Wireless, which was the big thing. I absolutely hate using a cord, especially plugged into my controller. It's just really messy and I always get my hands mixed up in it. But enough about the headphones, let's go ahead and unbox them. Okay, so the box looks pretty much the same across all of the accessories, white and blue. But anyways, PlayStation logo, you've got the 3D headset right here. There is the side. I think these things look really good actually. I really like the design and color scheme. But anyways, compatible with the PS5, PS4, and PlayStation VR. On the back, dual hidden microphones. It's also got noise canceling technology, which is huge. Then a built-in rechargeable battery for up to 12 hours of play, which is actually a really long time. I don't think I'm ever really going to game longer than 12 hours, so I shouldn't have any problem at all with charging unless I just forget to charge them. Easy access controls with the buttons on the side. 3.5mm headphone jack. Refined ear pads for comfortable gaming, so it's just talking about the comfort of the actual like little ear pad. Wireless adapter, so you get a USB that just basically plugs into whatever console you want to use it with. Fine tune for 3D audio on PS5 consoles. Come on! Oh boy, I see them. That looks pretty good. So you get some paperwork, more paperwork, and then in here I'm assuming is the charging cable and USB. So I was pretty much right. You get your charging cord, you get your headphone adapter, and then you get your USB. Really cool looking PlayStation branded one, if I do say so myself. And that is the headset. It feels super premium. This feels super comfortable, like it won't hurt your ears or anything after a few hours of playing. It feels like a silicone band on the top, which is a lot better to rest on top of your head versus like the plastic up here. White and black finish. Everything just looks really minimal, but still really futuristic and really nice. Got your power button on the bottom, so you just slide it on and off. Headphone jack, USB-C for charging. You've got your volume mute and then volume up and down. I'm not quite sure what this one is, to be completely honest, but off and monitor and then chat and game. Really cool looking pair of headphones for sure. Now let's go ahead and test them out. Okay, so I just turned them on. You can see there's a light that kind of goes on to let you know that it's actually on. Oh boy, I'm so excited. I just love the color scheme, man. Look, black and white with blue lights. I think it looks really cool. Okay, so we're going to test out the headphones by playing the Miles Morales Spider-Man game. I love this game. I've actually beat it 2 times already, believe it or not. So let's go ahead and give it a listen. So we'll go to my 65% completed game, continue. And let's see what this sounds like.
Hey, Ma, you busy?
Not too busy. What's going on?
I just left Trinity Church. And I was thinking about Finn.
Sounds pretty crisp, not gonna lie. The web swinging sounds very nice.
Everybody's. But she's the one who put us in danger in the first place. But after seeing what happened,
sounds really good.
I get why she did it.
I have it full blast, like volume, and it sounds great. Like it really feels like I'm here. Just because of how loud it is, I don't really know if it's like the Pulse 3D technology necessarily, but it sounds really good, really crisp. Let's go to a crime here. You can climb up a little bit.
You always know what to say.
That's my job. Call me back if you need me.
See what the fighting sounds like.
See, the cattle.
You're not walking away from this.
Ooh, that sounds good. That sounds really good. Come up here, buddy. Oh! This sounds great.
Time to teach you a lesson.
try this.
I'm gonna pay you back for that.
This sounds really good.
Be more subtle next time.
The web swinging, everything sounds crisp, it's loud. The spatial audio is working really good too, like I can hear cars behind me, the birds flying and all that.
Look out! Game's almost gone. Nice job exposing rocks on and all.
This definitely sounds better than like a traditional headset that I would have used in the past.
Hey Miles, I'm catching up on, yikes, kind of a backlog after being away for a few weeks.
No
Really
rest
impressed with
Spider-Man?
these so far. Okay, so that was the mic test and the sound test. Now, in the clip that you just saw, I'm actually using the audio from the in-game footage. I just have a picture-in-picture of me with the headset on, just so you guys could kind of see what I was looking like while I was playing. None of the audio came from the picture-in-picture video. It was strictly from the headset and the game, that's it. I think the microphone quality sounded pretty good. Like, it was better than my old headset for sure. It's not super crisp like I was hoping for, but I'm planning on getting a Yeti microphone anyways, so that won't really matter soon. But for now, I was really looking for really good quality audio, which this definitely has. And the microphone by no means is bad, I just want something even more crisp. But this is a really good microphone overall. It's just not something that I would want to use like long-term for streaming, for example. But a really good headset, really happy with it. I'm really glad I picked it up and found it at EB Games. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and quick little mic and sound test. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe because I have a ton of videos coming. If you want to follow my Twitch, which I just started as well, it is Austin_meds. Link will be in the description, but for now, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I definitely recommend you get the headset. Thanks for watching once again, and I will see you guys in the next video.